All right, so let's say you created a new Shopify store and you haven't yet added your banking information. You're just basically playing around with the theme, adding products to the store, stuff like that. Now, by default, if you start a Shopify store in any of the big countries that do e-commerce, like UK, US, Canada, you're going to be set up with Shopify Payments. That's Shopify's own payment provider, but you can use a bunch of other payment providers. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to assume that you're using Shopify Payments. And if you haven't added your banking information in yet, your payment provider is going to be in what's called test mode. So test mode basically means that you can't really complete a real transaction because your bank account is not in there. Your account is basically just a dummy account for now. You can always turn on test mode later on once you have added your banking information, but you risk not actually taking transactions because once test mode is on, it basically makes it so that you can't take real transactions. So in this case, I've created a new store. So I'm going to go over to a Mars Widget store here. And here you can see we're just selling like snowboard equipment. So I'm going to buy these skis. And so I'm going to add this to my cart. Okay. Remove this jacket. I guess I added this jacket earlier. I'm going to check out here. Okay. And so what you're going to want to do here is enter fake credit card information. So the credit card number for a fake Visa card, as recognized by Shopify, is 4242424242424242. Basically 42 8 times, right? And you're going to want to put in any fake name here, John Smith. Let's say the expiration date is September 2020. It's just going to have to be sometime in the future for the expiration date. And then the security code can be any 3 digits. I'll say 123. And I'm going to say pay now. All right, perfect. So here you can see that the payment is completed. I'm going to continue shopping. I'm going to switch over to my back end. And then I'm going to go into orders. You can see here just now Stacy completed an order.